Pay attention to the right, this bus is about to enter the tunnel. But inside this tunnel, the right side here has a broken line. It should be possible to change lanes in theory. Then in front of this bus, there is a large truck. He should be changing lanes to overtake. But our driver is very close to him now. His lane change is already affecting our normal driving. But at times like this, I advise everyone not to squeeze with him. Small cars can't compete with big ones. You see, otherwise you'll be in trouble. But what is the truck in the left lane doing? The car owner doesn't want to yield either. But in this situation, look like a rear-end collision. Everyone to step on the brakes. This guy is probably driving tired. Why are you getting worked up? There's a Tesla ahead. You'll be the one to watch our driver merge to this one. We were the car in front is already braking. Then he started to merge over immediately. At this point, it's very close, almost rear-ended. Neither side is giving way. So, based on what we're seeing, who do you think is right and who is wrong? Let's take a look at the situation ahead. Neither slow down and brake quickly. Then now the car in front on the left swerved abruptly. Pay attention. How is this guy driving? Hey, the car owner doesn't want to let him go first. Fortunately, who do you think is responsible for this? Just that the side mirror was knocked off. Thank goodness. Pay attention ahead. Look at that black sedan. It looks like a Volkswagen. You think this guy is driving normally? Actually, he's sleeping. But it seems normal looking at how he's driving. He probably went into the wrong lane. He went to the left. But I thought he was in the wrong lane. Well. Turns out he's really asleep. The car in front. Notice that he has already braked. And then he turned on his turn signal. The U-turn? Brake? It's too late. This U-turn is too casual. This is definitely the full responsibility. 100% at fault. Look, everyone, hey, what are you looking at? Comes up. Actually, there's a bit of a traffic jam ahead. She's actually there's another car on the right afraid of us overtaking. At this moment, then she didn't expect the car in front to suddenly stop. And the car on the right in front is changing lanes. The left lane is straight. He won't let him go. Hey, they're all Volkswagens. As a result, he started to move. This is really a case of the flood washing the car at the Dragon Temple. Oh, this is too impatient. An old and new model. To the lady in the white Volkswagen. See, they don't get riding a small lanes don't get at and get hit. How are they even out of luck? Do they even have a license? Or don't overtake a curve ahead. This driver is driving. He can only drive in the middle of the road. An electric driver still chooses not to overtake. The electric bike seems to have come the wrong way. There's also a car coming from the other direction. But fortunately, our driver, hey, you lady, is driving very slowly. Watch the road. If it were just a little bit faster, the electric bike might really be in danger. Maybe both feel this driver isn't paying attention while driving. The uncle didn't cause any trouble. The uncle in front isn't paying attention while walking either. At this moment, the uncle is looking down comes up on the left highway, changes lanes repeatedly. Lonely anticipation. Your journey has arrived. But with this kind of operation, your life is about to look at the straight lane. It's already a yellow light now. You can't go. At this time, the left turn green light is on. Concrete truck. Speeded through. Such a big car. At such a high speed. Just there's an accident. It would definitely be devastating. Did you drink? The electric bike didn't work at how you're swaying, and he did almost rolled under its wheels. Is it fun? Look at how this car is driving. Driving well on the road. Suddenly disaster strikes. Oh, I've watched it several times, and I still don't know where this piece of metal flew out from. If this were to hit the glass, wouldn't it hit someone too? Maintaining a safe distance is very important. But some people say that if you maintain a safe distance, that means you're giving space for others to cut in line. But you need to be clear about this. It's different on the highway than on city roads. If you don't maintain a safe distance on the highway, if there is a situation ahead, then you're in trouble. Our car's distance is perfectly sufficient, and it has already braked. But the distance of the vehicles behind is not enough. Didn't brake. Nothing would have happened originally, just because the vehicles behind did not maintain a safe distance. As a result, it led to this chain reaction accident. What a pity. Pay attention to the second intersection ahead. There's a car to the front right that has turned on its turn signal. The driver didn't pay attention at first. Thought he was just changing lanes. But he made a U-turn directly from the right lane. Regardless of why the M-car driver didn't brake. Anyway, he was on the crosswalk. He is definitely fully responsible for this maneuver. The third car ahead also had a green light. Just started. The car in the right lane also has some issues. Changing lanes here is really unnecessary. They're all straight lanes. I don't know what you're changing lanes for. Fourth, pay attention to the white Volkswagen on the left. He's also preparing to change lanes. Another car merges the vehicle in front of him is driving logically. The vehicle to change lanes should yield to those going straight. But he seems to have forgotten a basic principle of changing lanes. But he falsely accuses others. There's no need for our driver why they didn't yield. It's a favor. The eighth one. Not yielding is slippery when it rains. As a result, start moving. The other party's actions were also faultless. Watch out for an electric bike. Let's take a look at whether the traffic lights at this intersection have a problem. It's great to be young. Look, we all have a green light. Neither wind nor rain can stop his desire for speed. As a result, after the car owner came over, another car on the right crashed into us again. Do you not want your car anymore? The traffic lights are fine. The ninth one. Then he ran a red light. Our car owner isn't driving seriously enough. Running one is one thing. There's a tricycle. Why does everyone run ahead? Six. As a result, pay attention and look at a bicycle coming up. What are you doing, driver? Oh my goodness. Although he's driving just slowly, asking you, he didn't ask you to help push him. Unexpected. How are you going to explain this to others? Are probably dumbfounded. Sometimes others may be at crash something else. He suddenly brakes. Why did you have to crash and here? Suddenly stops. But this can be leaving you at an on-site police response. But if you're not paying attention, let's take a look at the car owner. Let's take a look at one last thing. Now, normally driving, the van in front is going to turn right. A scooter is coming up on the right in a moment. I want to talk about this here. We must definitely watch out for scooters when turning. But scooter riders, when you see vehicles turning, slow down too. He just cut into the car may be at fault. Look how good this driver is. With your body are the one who will be the previous one. Look at this person up ahead in the road. You'd say he has no manners, they can't overtake. Look at how he'd rather run into the woods. Feels quite gentle either. Well-mannered. Look at this one. Unlike those who throw things out the window. But if you say he's well-mannered, large vehicle, what are you doing throwing trash on the right here? Look at this large Since you van. Stop the car, he's about to start changing lanes towards Open the door and throw it. We're so close to him. Then why not find a trash can? Can't he actually see us? Right? In this situation, overtaking. Look, he's still trying to squeeze in. I really thought he wasn't afraid of death. You're really not going to give up to overtake on this bend. I'll see if you dare to be careful next time. Don't cut me off. Look at that car. Isn't he also afraid of death? The brake lights He sees a car coming from the opposite direction. At this moment, the driver still tried to overtake. You're afraid of being hit, and then they crashed into someone. Either. This guy is entirely overtaking up ahead. That person in front is turning. You still tried to overtake, and crashed into someone. Aren't you entirely at fault? Look at that car on the right. Another one without driving experience. There's a big truck in front of me. Look, he's trying to squeeze in, trying to merge in. If he doesn't get the short end of the stick, who will? Look, the truck has a blind spot. Can't see. Let's not talk about right and wrong first. How capable is this little car? You should know yourself, right? Driving at night. Look, there's a dazzling light ahead. I don't know what kind of vehicle is coming. We just came from the side. Look. Oh, he just drove like this. What kind of vehicle is this? Some kind of engineering vehicle or something. Oh my goodness. His lights He's using the hazard lights. I thought he was coming over. Forget on the highway. Forget it. Look at the car on the left. Don't bother with these kinds of people. After overtaking, to avoid trouble. The brake lights of the car on the left. We're going to overtake the car. Then it turned on its hazard lights. But now he's turned on his turn situation ahead. We thought he would change lanes. Overtaking, but at this moment he still suddenly found out that he was still speeding forward. Look, as a result, brake quickly becomes. Oh my God! The car on the left is already He's already too really drivers at the driver's reaction was the red intersection green driving on this kind of rural road. But on the left, slow down in advance. There's a car coming. The thing you fear most. Running a red light. Elderly riding electric bikes or tricycles. Look how running a red light. This tricycle or did he not? The traffic flow on this road isn't heavy running a yellow light, and the road even the green light at the intersection. Everyone in their own lane, especially when the green light has just come on. You shouldn't use your high green light as a child runs out. The car across the light is already waiting at a red light at the intersection. Very blinding. And then there's an electric scooter in the lower right corner. Most people wouldn't look left and right. Also waiting at a red light. Look. But I didn't expect red light from left as soon as it started. I don't know what you're rushing for. I also didn't expect that he would turn left. If there was another car on my right, he's waiting at the red light. It definitely would have hit you. I thought he was going straight. There aren't even any traffic lights at this intersection. I was being very careful is a bit chaotic this intersection. Everyone needs to judge the distance. Still moving forward. The electric bicycle. Let in the car left. Then at this moment, what's this about? A car in front of me overtook by changing lanes. The distance was so close, and he didn't even brake. Damn, the rearview mirror scraped it. There's an electric bicycle on our right. We can't swerve to the right to avoid them. Otherwise, the electric bicycle will suffer. The electric bike has already ridden out onto the road. Pay attention. Look at the car coming up on the right. It's blocking our driver. Then the other driver threw a bundle of noodles at us. Or is it potato shreds? What's going on here? Oh my goodness. I guess we must have offended right out. But there was a cliff the other driver's behavior I wouldn't even dare to imagine. But compared to road rage, look closely. I think it's still much better. The owner of this SUV when driving on the road thought he was going to don't offend others. Then he suddenly swerved back. Pay attention. As a result, the sunlight ahead is very dazzling. At this time, although his driving wasn't sun visor right, or wear sunglasses. But our driver's attention you mustn't wear sunglasses either. Otherwise, there's a red light won't be able to see the road ahead. Careless. Look, the vehicle in front is overtaking. As a result, he was unlucky. When it's halfway through, its left rear tire suddenly fell off. Oh my goodness! The tire fell off while the car was driving. Isn't that strange? You must check your tires before hitting the road. He signaled especially after maintenance. I reckon this maneuver sometimes is going they to might really disaster. Forget to tighten the screws for you. Let's take a look at the police car on the right, number 5. He completely can't going see pretty him. Fast. This is the most basic safety knowledge. Changing lanes this lane to change overtake. Doesn't have enough then, distance. Hey, this maneuver is what a bit was the unusual. Driver of that big but it also thinking. Feels very normal. You must drive slowly in unfamiliar areas. Should be on a mission. Look at the car urgent. It's turning left step on the gas. After turning left, you must pay attention to safety. Right into that concrete Volkswagen in front. Oh my God! Pay attention. You shouldn't be unable to see it with your headlights on, right? Unless the driver is an idiot. You all know it. Let's take a look at an underground parking garage. Pay attention to the vehicle on the left starting to move. After starting, it turns directly and crashes into us. Oh my God. After the crash, he didn't stop either. He just drove away. Didn't he notice? At this moment, our car owner quickly got out to chase him. The crash was so obvious. Didn't he feel it? Luckily, our car owner is in the car. Otherwise, he probably would have run away. At the intersection ahead, watch out for vehicles coming out on the right. I recommend everyone to drive to make in the middle lane for safety. Our brakes didn't work. We can't be blamed for this situation. This place has double solid lines. Do you think a U-turn is possible? Of course, seeing the crosswalk, we should also try to slow down. Let's look at this one driving at night. The street light is a bit dazzling. What's going on? A large truck just passed by. Then a tricycle came by without its lights on. Driving at night without lights on. I'm truly at a loss for words. But it's possible his lights are broken. But if the lights are broken, you shouldn't be out driving at night, right? Finally, let's look at the left lane. The car ahead encountered a car making a U-turn. For roads like these with 3 lanes, and a median strip in the middle,